Hello everybody, I hope you're having a magical day. Today we're going to be taking a room tour of our Porthole room on the Disney Wish. We are staying in room 6010, which means we are on the 6th deck and we are on the port side of the ship. So let's get inside and check it out. Alright, first thing we do when we open the door, we're going to enter a key card right here. We're going to press the button to turn the lights on. And you can see it is a very beautiful room, large porthole. Once we enter the room, you can see that on the back side of the door we have Assembly Station F. This is our Assembly Station location, and this is currently where we are staying. From there we have our first closet. We open that up and we can see provided robes. We have 2 robes, lots of storage space, and in the overhead. As we close that one, we move to the next door. This one's going to be your safe. This is more shelving. Your first set of life jackets, and then in this door, your other set of life jackets, coat hangers, and then a lot more storage space. On the other side of the closet, which will be your first set of bathrooms, you do have your temperature controls right here. As we open this door up, which is the closest to the entrance, you can see we have our toilet paper, our controls. Now this is really nice because if you have a main switch, there is night light. You can shut that night light off if you want, but there is an option for that. Then we have some shelving, some hangers here, your hand towel, your H2O provided soap, your nice sink, wastebasket down here. These do not open, those are not drawers, there are no drawers in here. More storage, and then big mirror. Hello. Now moving to the second bathroom, the one closest to the bed. You see we open up, we have a mirror on the door, and then we have another mirror over here. Hello. We got 4 towels all ready to go. A single light switch, no night light in here. Your sink, hand towels, H2O body lotion, another wastebasket. Again, no drawers, Kleenexes, hand towel. And then the door here in the shower / bathtub, because it is a shower bathtub, it opens this way and that way. Very spacious shower. You can see large shower head there. It does detach, so you can take it off if you need it. It is adjustable. You have H2O soaps. This is your water pressure, and this one's going to be your temperature. Pull this up for your shower, and then press in, press out, plug, and a handle because the boat does get rocking. And in the laundry line, if you want to dry your clothes right there. As we leave the second bathroom, we now go into the main living area. As you can see, it says the Disney Wish. That's right, we're on the Wish, and it's definitely on the softer side. Not really mid-firm, but pretty soft. It's comfortable though, and you can see we have USB charging and other outlets. Storage. We have light intensity, so if you want to turn the light up, turn it off. Reading lamps. Of course, that beautiful background right there. Lots of pillows. And then over here, on this side of the bed, you can see we have USB-C, USB, 2 outlets. Again, the lighting, and then more lighting. There's a lot of lighting in here. Another thing we want to show about the bed is if you go underneath, there's more storage for your luggage. Now from the bed, we do have a TV here. We currently have the navigation on right now, and you can see the Disney Castaway key right there. This is us currently cruising right now. As you can see, it is a decent sized TV for the size of the room. It is not adjustable. You cannot turn it to view that section over there. It is permanent in location. Next, we're going to go over here. We got your wastebasket. You have your desk with your mini lights and options. You can see lots of stuff. Your service phone here, Kleenexes, again, shelving, a large desk area, and then even more outlets. They definitely improved the amount of outlets on the Disney Wish. You can see USB-C, USB, and more USB right there. So lots of charging. And then again, more shelving, of course, large mirror again. Now the cool thing about this whole desk is, like, where's the fridge? Pull this out. It's a pull-out drawer fridge. Pretty cool. Then you have all your other stuff here. You have your hair dryer actually in this one right here. So if you need your hair dryer, it's in the main desk. From the desk, we move over to the bunk bed. As you can see, it does have a detachable ladder. It's very light, very firm mattress right here. Decent size. And then up here it says, "A dream that you wish will come true." And then check that out. It just looks really pretty. Now from the bunk bed, you go down here to the couch. As you can see, it's set up as a couch right now. But if you need an additional bed, you just pull like that, and check that out. We have an additional bed, and then on top of that, that one is also very firm as well. There is a small table next to the couch, a very large mirror. Check this thing out. This is full, lots of space right here. A chair, very comfortable, not bad. A little footrest right there. And then we get to the famous porthole. As you can see, there's not a whole lot of room here to sit here, but you can, and you can watch the ocean go by out the porthole. Of course, it is dark outside right now, but during the day, me and my kids had definitely sat here and watched the ocean pass by. And here's the porthole with the daytime view. As you can see, very large viewing area. You can see pretty far aft and a decent amount forward. We're a family of 4, and we had plenty of room for everything we needed with the size of this room. And when it's late at night and it's time to go to bed, don't forget to drape your privacy curtain. Well, that's pretty much it for the tour, everybody. As you can see, we have 3 beds. We have a really comfortable chair back here. Lots of space, mirrors everywhere. Again, storage. Really cool fridge down here, like I said. I kind of like that. That's pretty cool. And just an overall really nice room. The stay room hostess will drop your bed down for you, and they're very attentive and will help you with anything you need. And I hope this video was very helpful for you. If it was, please hit that like button. Lets me know you enjoyed it. Of course, subscribe to the channel. I love the support. It's free to do. And if I didn't answer any questions you had about the room, put it down in the comments section below, and I'll try to answer them the best I can. Otherwise than that, thanks everybody for watching, and we will see you next time.